One day, Mickey Mouse was walking through the forest. Suddenly, he saw a big elephant coming towards him. Mickey was very naughty. He had an idea to ride on the elephant's back. He went near the elephant and said,
"Hey, I want to ride on your back."
The elephant shook his head and replied,
"I'm sorry, Mickey, but I can't let you ride on my back."
Mickey, undeterred, decided to find a mischievous way to fulfill his wish. One day, when the elephant was asleep, Mickey quietly climbed on his back and fell asleep. In the morning, when the elephant got up and went to the river, he saw his reflection in the water, and also that of Mickey on his back. He was very angry.
"Get off my back,"
he said. But Mickey was not at all frightened.
"I won't get off,"
he said teasingly.
"You can do whatever you want."
The poor elephant wriggled and turned, but it was of no use. Finally, he decided to go under the water. Mickey would surely run off if he found that he was going down. But before the elephant took 2 steps into the water, Mickey quietly crept into his trunk and said,
"If you go into the water, I will tickle you till you scream."
The elephant got upset and sat down under a tree. At that moment, Ronnie, the rabbit, happened to pass by. He looked at the elephant's sad face and asked,
"My friend, what is the matter?"
The elephant told him the whole story. An idea came to Ronnie's mind. Ronnie, the clever rabbit, looked at the distressed elephant and said,
"Hold on, my friend. I have a solution. Just wait here, and I'll fetch something that might help."
Ronnie hopped away and went to his home to pick up a packet of pepper powder. He hurried back to the elephant, saying,
"I have the perfect idea to get Mickey out of your trunk."
He told the elephant to stand away from the tree and point his trunk towards it. Then, with a mischievous gleam in his eyes, Ronnie pulled out a packet from his pocket and emptied it entirely into the elephant's trunk. The elephant gave a loud sneeze.
"Achoo!"
The elephant's sneeze was so powerful that Mickey came out of his trunk like a bullet and hit against the tree so hard that he could hardly breathe. When he recovered, he gave a frightened look and ran away. The elephant did not realize what had happened.
"I put the entire packet of pepper powder into your trunk. You sneezed, and the mouse came out,"
explained Ronnie. The delighted elephant thanked Ronnie and fed him a dozen juicy carrots. Then the 2 friends went happily into the forest.